What's up, guys? I just want to cover this real fast. This is a big part of my income. Even if you can't donate something to help, whatever, this is how I make my money. I basically, YouTube's a fairly good size of my income monthly. If you can't donate or you don't want to, that's fine. Feel free to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. But if I kept you from spending hundreds or $1,000 easy at a shop, consider me. You know what I'm saying? It takes time to make these videos. I love giving free information, but it also feels good to have my back scratched too. You know what I'm saying? So everything you need to know is in the link below. Also in the comment section, you'll find all my information in the pinned comments. And I hope I help you guys out. You can help me out. Let's get started.
Little sneak peek, but next up, nitrous. We're gonna do some nitrous injections on this thing. Make it fun. I told you I was gonna make it faster. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be putting a race variator setup inside of this. This is a lot lighter weight than what's in there, so this should definitely help us move along at a lot faster pace. Should also activate the back wheel much sooner. So let's get started here. A lot of 8mm to take off. You're also probably going to need an impact wrench to get some of this done. Leave the screws in there, that way you don't get them confused. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Okay. We got some belt stuff up in here. It's probably messing with the starter, I would say. Oh, somebody greased it too. Normally you can just grab these, give a pull, and you can get them out at an angle. There we go. We can get all that belt shredding out of there. Cool. 17. Look at that. Big old 17. Impact wrench time. There we go. Whew! That puppy was really on there. Crazy. Alright. Just gonna put that on there a little bit. For now, I'm just gonna take this off, I guess. Set that there. Just take it real easy here. See if we can just pop it off without having to do too much. Looks like we can. If I can keep this from collapsing, we might just be able to quickly swap this out here. Let's find out, huh? Find out if we can do this without playing the whole swappy game. Alright. Let me rebuild this variator real fast. Get all these into place. These don't even say what weight they are. That's alright. Alright, rebuilt, set that down, pop this guy off here. Come on out of there, there we go. I'm just going to set that one down like that. And then we're going to insert this puppy here, push that back against there. There we go. Okay, pop this back on if we can. Hey, excellent. Excellent. Now, let's get this to match up on those teeth. There we go. And look at that. I didn't even have to remove the clutch. We got lucky this time. No need to remove the clutch. Okay. Cool. Saved ourselves a lot of time there by not having to remove the clutch. Sometimes the belt will just unwind and then you have to pull the clutch. There we go. Sweet. Tap it a few more times. Okay. Installed. Now we're just going to slide this guy back into there. Think over this for a sec. There we go. Make sure there's no more belt shrapnel inside of here. If I can get it out, I will before we put it back together. There we go. Now we have a race variator inside there. Installed. Let's give her a kickstart. Let's see how it works. Working good, guys. That's working good. Okay. I need to replace the starter clutch. It's definitely going. It's not good. I mean, it's working, but it's not good. That's why it keeps binding the way it is. The starter clutch is just not kicking out like it should. So we're also going to have to replace the starter clutch here pretty soon. But there you go. That's how you install a race variator, a lighter race variator. It should help with acceleration. I don't know if we've cost ourselves top end or not. That's going to be based on the weights and how it distributes the power and allows the variator to open and close. But like I said, we'll know a lot more once I take it for another ride. But as of right now, it installed just fine. It's working perfectly with no issues, you know, so no complaints here.
Are you sure this is okay? You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now, she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay? All right.